Welcome to Vulcan 3D Printing, where we do 3D printing projects ranging from weapon replicas, movie props, basically anything that I've seen that I think is really cool, I try to make it. Today we're going to go over the Thanos helmet from Infinity War. I thought it was a really cool helmet. It's pretty iconic on its own. I know they're going to have it be part of Endgame and have it be, the top of the Scarecrow for Thanos' Scarecrow. I just thought it was really cool. I also thought it would kind of match my big head, so I just kind of figured it would be a good match. So So the first image we have pulled up here is the actual part before it actually gets painted and primed, and all of the fine detail work that gets done with it. It was just a nice green color because that was actually the cheapest color I could find at the current time because I knew we were going to paint over it, and I didn't really care what it looked like. Now, normally, what we'll try to start doing from now on is actually putting in videos of painting the actual helmets and the units, so that you actually see and get an idea of what we do and how we do it. This video, we didn't actually include that step in there. We thought of it after it was too late, and probably after the next few, depending. Overall, the helmet looks just spectacular. Painter did a fantastic job. You can definitely see all the details and the battle scarring in it. That was one of kind of the differences that we wanted to do from other versions of this helmet that people made. A lot of people made like the nice, clean, new-looking one, not one that's been worn for 50 years and looks like it's going to be destroyed. So, yeah, now we're going to go back to the video and actually start putting in some foam padding. First thing to address is the fact that if you hear some, I don't know, noises in the background, it's because of the 3D printer. Right now I got sitting next to one, so it kind of makes a lot of noise, so it's hard to kind of hear what's going on. Or every once in a while I'm talking, it might just go, and that's just gonna be life. So this right here is the fully printed Thanos helmet. It's oh man, I'm so ecstatic how the final print came out. It looks great. But one of the things about it is the fact that like there's no padding in it at all. So when I put it on my head, literally minutes go by and my head starts to hurt or like itches because there's no like padding or anything in it. So right now I'm gonna take the helmet, put some foam padding in it, and Velcro. Didn't almost drop it. And an X-Acto knife, and go to town on it and see what needs to be done. Probably should go grab Paris. Time to start going to town. Yeah, that knife didn't really work very well. It was a bad decision. So what I'm doing is I'm taking this Velcro and I'm cutting it to length so that I know the correct length of size of Velcro to use. Professional man, turn off the sound when you work. So it'll you know, just kind of help reuse the old hooks just in case this foam's need to be replaced or who knows what in the future. Alright, so we got plastic, it's an adhesive back. Didn't just spit everywhere. I just like place it on the inside, press it down, and it forms. Forms. It helps to not do the quotations in the helmet. I feel like that's pretty close. Alright, well, we have the helmet finished. Man, it looks spectacular. The paint job just, you know, brings it up to 110%. Like, this thing just looks phenomenal. One of the cool things about it was I actually added foam padding in there. It was sitting actually a little too low on my face before, and so I kind of figured it needed foam padding. Also, I had a friend of mine come over. He just like pounded me on the head, just like knocked it, and it kind of hurt because it's just sitting a hard piece of plastic sitting on my head with sharp points on the inside from where we did the joining, and that just kind of hurt my head a little bit. So we added the foam padding in there, and now it just sits just so perfect and follows my big fat head. So with that all being said, you know, I believe the print look turned out really well. The battle damage was definitely the right choice. Without a doubt, the right choice to go. Thank you very much for watching. Yeah, I love this print, and I just couldn't imagine it going almost any better. So, hopefully you can see you in the next video.